Well, out here baling today. I might put a video out a little bit later on the cutting. I didn't rake or ted this though, but out here I got a chunk of it done. See the monitor there, you know. Yeah, it's going pretty smooth. No plugging, knock on wood. No bales getting stuck. Nothing. Just going back and forth across the rows. Making mostly straight bales. Barely paying attention to the monitor also. I'll keep you guys on here. Get a bale shot out now, eh? We're getting there. No, it's going smooth, smooth, smooth. We had to pull the hay elevator out. Get ready. We're gonna cut that. I don't know when. We're cutting just on the other side of that brush. And then we're gonna be square baling. I'm glad we weren't today. We were gonna maybe do this, but it got so dang thick that we weren't gonna. That would have been hot. It is hotter than heck out. Oh, and there we go. You gotta make sure that that roller and that roller are rolling like you're supposed to, so then the twine's going out. Then you watch that there come down, down, down. Once it gets down there, you see that roller stop, you see that roller stop, and then I come over here, pull that, whole thing goes up, bale pops out. Then you gotta watch them too, the one that comes down. If the little one on the left comes down first, that means the bale is still in there and it probably shouldn't go. Well, that's all I have for you all right now. Just another hot and beautiful day making hay.